Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a custard crepe cake. We'll begin by combining all-purpose flour, large eggs, whole milk, and granulated sugar to form a smooth batter. After whisking thoroughly, let the batter rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting period helps the gluten relax, resulting in more tender crepes. Then, cook approximately 20 to 25 thin crepes on a lightly oiled, non-stick pan over medium heat, ensuring each one is golden brown. Next, let's craft the luscious custard filling. You'll need egg yolks, granulated sugar, cornstarch, and whole milk. Whisk these together in a saucepan and cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens to a pudding-like consistency. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from heat, then stir in a generous amount of unsalted butter and a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for a rich, aromatic flavor. Now for the fun part, assembling your masterpiece. Lay your first crepe flat on a serving plate. Spread a thin, even layer of the prepared custard over its surface, extending almost to the edges. Continue this process, stacking crepe after crepe and alternating with the creamy custard until all your crepes are used. Aim for about 20 layers. Once assembled, cover the cake and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set beautifully. To complete your stunning custard crepe cake, a simple dusting of powdered sugar adds an elegant touch. For extra flair, consider garnishing with fresh berries like raspberries or blueberries, or perhaps some delicate chocolate shavings. When you're ready to serve, use a sharp knife to cut neat slices. This cake is best enjoyed chilled, offering a delightful combination of tender crepes and rich, creamy custard in every single bite. It's truly a treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.